What up? So we're here today, and from the last video, you all know now that I like to be healthy, stay fit, and to eat healthy too. So today I'm just gonna show you some of the things that I do to meal prep and take you through some of the foods that I eat on a daily basis. So basically, it's just chicken, rice, ground beef, veggies, and eggs. So the typical bodybuilder diet. So I mix it all together and then I let the chicken soak overnight in the refrigerator. So while that's heating up, for breakfast I have an English muffin and some eggs with side of veggies. I also put peanut butter on my English muffin, so it gives it just a little bit of flavor. And for dieting, the most successful dieter is the one that can make the same foods a different kind of way every single day. So like if you have chicken and rice every day, or like ground beef and rice, like they're gonna have to taste different because over time, you know, you get pretty tired of eating just chicken and rice. So flavor it differently every day, and that's how you be successful in your diet. An appropriate day to do it is rest days, because it's a rest day and you can take the time to go to the grocery store, get a few items. Alright, so now that we got our marinade going and we soaked it overnight, we're gonna get cooking now. So when this is done cooking, you can actually add vegetables to it. You can have healthy fats, you can have cashews with it, you can have avocados. You know, it's good to have variety in your meals because, you know, sometimes eating healthy can get boring if you don't know what you're doing. That is my meal prep advice, and I hope you enjoyed this little piece, and I hope you all have a good day and live healthy, exercise daily. Take the time to meal prep, find a time to meal prep, and just think outside the box at times. Things don't need to be as hard as what people think it has to be. And I am Skye, and we live in interesting times.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to show us some love by liking it and subscribing or following us on all of our social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think. So if there's something that you liked, or maybe something you'd like to see from us, let us know in the comments and we'll try our best to make that happen. See you later.